Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change language on Threads app. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The Threads app developed by Instagram is designed to help you stay connected with your close friends by sharing photos, videos, and messages. Whether you're using the app on the Android or iOS device, changing the language setting is a straightforward process. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first of all, we can open our Threads app on our phone. And as you can see in here, my Threads is using English. And if you want to change the language, you can just tap on your profile on the bottom right here. You can go to settings now by tap on the upper right corner, the two lines over here. And you'll find there is an option, language. You can just tap on that. Here, you can choose for the language that you want to use on your Threads app. Maybe for the example, you want to change to Bahasa. You can just choose on Bahasa. And now this your Threads apps using the Bahasa. And you can change the language anytime you want. You can change, there's so much language that you can use on this Threads app. So simple, right? So that is how to change Threads language on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.